Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to write emails with ChatGPT in seconds. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Now go to this link. Here you have to press on Try ChatGPT. To write ChatGPT for writing emails quickly, you can structure your prompt to include details about the purpose, tone, and any specific points you want to cover it. Here, I'm gonna show you some example prompts to help you get the most effective emails draft in seconds. For this, you have to follow some tips and tricks. Number 1. Professional follow-up email. Here, I'm gonna show you a professional follow-up email with example prompt. Example: write a professional follow-up email to John, thanking him for his input in our last meeting. Mention our goal to finish the project by the end of the month and ask if he could share his feedback by Friday. Keep it friendly and brief. Let's see the answer. Now you can see here your best answer about professional follow-up email. Now the next one, number 2. Thank you email. You can write a thank you email to anyone in ChatGPT. Here I'm gonna write a thank you email for a team member. Example: write a thank you email to Sarah for her hard work on the Q4 report. Mention that her attention to detail was crucial and that you appreciate her dedication. Make it warm and appreciative. Here, ChatGPT's output. You'll find the best output here. And the last one, number 3. Apology email. Here I'm gonna show you an apology email to a client. You can write for anyone. Now example prompt: write an apology email to Mr. Williams for delay in sending project updates. Explain that we have encountered some unexpected challenges, but assure him that we are working hard to get back on track. Make it sincere and professional. Here is your output. You can see here this is much professional. So, with these prompts, ChatGPT can provide you with an effective and well-structured email within seconds. Let me know if you would like any personalized tips on using this for specific scenarios. So this is how to write emails with ChatGPT in seconds. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.